Hey everyone, Tech Steve here, and on this video, I'm going to show you how to initially set up the Sony X85K. Now, I will tell you I have a PS5 plugged into it, Xbox Series X, and I do have an over-the-air antenna, so let's get started. And on this remote control, we're going to be using the up and down as well as the center on the navigation. When you first turn on the television, you get this welcome screen, and you can see that it has plenty of languages. And keep in mind, this is a United States region television. The first thing you want to do is choose your language, and then you want to choose your country. Now there's two ways you can set up this television. If you plan on using the Google TV and hooking the TV up to Wi-Fi, you want to go ahead and press on that. But if you want to use it as a basic television and just use a HDMI cable or over-the-air antenna, you can set it up that way, so you don't need to go through all the different steps. But on this video, we're going to set it up as a Google TV. Now, I will tell you, you will need some type of Wi-Fi connection, and there's two ways to do this. One, you can use the Google Home application, or at the bottom, you can use the remote control instead and manually do everything. So on this video, we're going to manually set it up. Now you want to choose your Wi-Fi and go ahead and log in. Once you enter your password, there is a hide or unhide button right here, and you can go down to the bottom of the keyboard that's on the screen, hit the check mark, and it'll go to the next step. And since this is a Google TV, you need to log in. First, you can go down here to the bottom or create account, or if you have one, go ahead and enter the email right here. And to let you guys know, you do not have to enter at Gmail. Once you put your username in or the phone number that you have on file, just go ahead and select it. It'll automatically put Gmail at the end of it for you. Once you enter your Gmail password, go ahead and hit the enter at the bottom of the screen. So once you get logged into your Gmail account, you're going to need to accept some terms and conditions. And you can uncheck any of the features you don't want. Now, if you want to receive emails from Google, it's up to you, but I'm going to just go ahead and put no thanks. This TV does have Google Assistant on the remote control. You can go ahead and hit continue. Now, if you want the Google Assistant to be able to open up applications, you can allow or you can hit no thanks. And I want to let you guys know that Google does have what they call voice match. So whenever you talk to the television, it knows that it's you versus someone else. Now, the personal results is if you want your calendar and any type of personal information that's on your Gmail account to run through the television, it can do that, or you can hit no thanks at the bottom. And on this screen, you can choose any applications that you already pay for. So when the TV is finished doing this setup stage, the applications will download automatically. So far, we have installed all the Google settings. Now we need to go in and install all the Sony settings. So what you want to do is look at all the policies right here, and then at the bottom of it, you'll be able to select OK to continue. And this gives you an idea of everything that the television is going to do. And keep in mind, this is a demo account, so you make sure you choose what works for you. This is letting you know that it's going to be using Google for your voice recognition, and there's a button on your remote control to press whenever you want to use those commands. Now, on this screen, the TV can automatically dim itself to save you energy, but that's up to you because in some cases, the TV might be too bright or too dark. This sets up everything automatically. Now, this TV can control a cable box or satellite box. So if you press setup, it will go ahead and prompt you how to get that up and running. So to receive channels, there's two different ways you can do it. There's a cable box, satellite box, or you have antenna connection, which I did plug in on this particular setup. So all I need to do is go ahead and set up, and I'm going to go ahead and do the auto programming so it can pick up the channels in my area. And this process can take up to 10 minutes, just so you know. Now the auto program is complete. I found 12 digital channels, and I will tell you some of those don't come in as clear, but that's what I found. Now you want to go ahead and press on OK, and then we're going to go ahead and press on next. As you can see, it did find the PS5, so I can go ahead and confirm that one. And since this is a Sony television, it automatically put it on the 4K settings with enhanced format. You can choose if it's going to be on your tabletop or if you're going to mount on the wall, and that changes the EQ of the television. Now with this feature, you can automatically calibrate your room with the remote control using the microphone so it sets the best parameters. So I'm going to go ahead and press on next to show you what it looks like. Once you give access, go and press on start. And now the TV is calibrated for your room. You can register some applications, but I'm gonna go ahead and skip that. And I'm gonna skip the Sony offers as well. This TV is compatible with the Apple AirPlay and the HomeKit, and it does have accessibility features as well for people with diverse needs. At this point, we're done, or you can set it up as a retail store so it shows a bunch of demos. And the last step is going to update all the applications that's in the television to make sure everything is ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video, how to set up your Sony X85K. I'm Tech Steve. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.